The big day requires a big dessert. We're going to make the biggest dessert we have ever made in our television cooking career.
Yeah.
We're going to make
a croquembouche.
Just for you.
Wow, I'm almost speechless, which never happens.
Not like that big. This one will require 100 choux buns with a cardamom cream filling in each one.
But first, the choux pastry. So we put the butter, the milk, the caster sugar, and 130 millilitres of water.
And a nice pinch of salt.
Stir until all of the butter is melted.
275 grams of plain flour.
And you mix that until it forms a ball of dough that comes away from the side of the pan. And then beat for about another minute or so. Remove from the heat. It needs to stand and cool for 5 minutes. And then you can add the eggs.
And pipe into 3-centimetre rounds. Now you need to bake these in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After that, turn it down to about 175, 180 degrees Celsius for a further 20 to 25 minutes until they cook through. That's the choux buns all baked. Now what we need to do is to make a spiced cream and pipe it into each one of those 100 choux buns.
Make a little hole in preparation for the cream, just here.
Now the spiced cream consists of double cream, which I'm going to whip up, icing sugar, cardamom and coffee essence.
Go on, Dave, go on.
Just keep adding the icing sugar. Now just whip it.
I'm very happy with this. Very, very happy with this.
Kate, are you more a sweet or savoury person?
I'm just a food person.
Yeah, you just love it, yeah.
Just lots of it,
yeah.
Plenty of it, you know, especially
That's such
at Christmas.
a Yorkshire thing as well, that, isn't it? It's like, everybody in Yorkshire likes pretty big portions, don't they?
We like
generous.
Generous portions, lovely.
I like us dinners.
Well, I think this should be a challenge to your parishioners. I think you need to make her, our good reverend, a croquembouche and surprise her.
Yeah.
After midnight mass.
You know, it's my favourite service of the year, midnight mass.
Love it.
Because what I do is I make sure that I get out of the church first and go into the empty churchyard all on my own, look up at the stars and just have that lovely moment of peace and quiet, knowing that you've made it, it's Christmas Day.
Yeah.
And then I shout at the top of my voice, Merry Christmas! So that anyone who hasn't been to church is awake and knows that we've been on their behalf. And in my last parish, there was a farmer who, when I used to do that, used to come and stand beside me, and he'd just go, Merry Christmas, Vicar. And I'd go, Merry Christmas. And then we'd have a little tipple out of his hip flask and go on his way. It's just lovely, just lovely.
And it is little moments like that that are so special. It's about those lovely little traditions at a time of peace and harmony.
But everybody knows that, you know. I think that when we talk about people forgetting the true meaning of Christmas, I genuinely don't think that's the case.
No, I don't either.
I think we all get lost in it. Of course we do. Presents are brilliant, but actually we all know what it's really about.
It is.
We all know what it's really about.
Et voila.
And repeat another 99 times. Shall I crack on with the caramel?
Yeah, man, I'll just crack on with this.
Right. You just need ordinary caster sugar. Now, when this reaches 154 degrees Celsius, it will be caramel and not sugar. At this time, it is extremely hot. Please be careful. We put it in a pan and we kind of let it melt. Don't stir it. And once it starts, you just roll it around the pan, but let the weight of the sugar take itself. Oh, look, look, look. See how the caramel is starting? I'm just swishing that around the pan a little bit like that.
98. I'm nearly finished. 99. 100. I've done it. That's it.
And that indeed is what I would term as caramel coloured.
Beautiful caramel.
So the first ring, he can be there, that fellow on his own. We dip the side in there like so and stick him to his mate.
And so on and so forth. It's like a culinary air fix.
It is. And has anybody ever made you a croquembouche before?
Nobody's ever made me a croquembouche before.
And there's a reason for that, because nobody's flipping daft enough, that's why. It's great.
See, I love this. I'm very good with repetitive tasks.
You could put some carols on the radio, couldn't you?
could.
Or put a little Christmas movie on.
Yeah.
Pass afternoon on. Lovely, this.
Right. What's your favourite carol?
I love Joy to the World, but because I'm a vicar, we sing carols often. So you might only go to one carol service. We've been to 10. Do you know what I'm saying? So the ones that are really popular are the ones that we've sung over and over. So I really like In the Bleak Midwinter.
Oh, I like that.
Because it's one that we don't often sing. So it's not a silent night, it's not an Away in a Manger, it's one that's a little bit left field and that's not as popular as all the others, and I really like that. But you can't beat on Christmas Day, Oh Come All Ye Faithful, because you finally get to sing the last verse of Come All Ye Faithful, which is, Yea, Lord, we greet thee, born this happy morning.
Yes.
And you're not allowed to sing that until the big day itself.
Do you get louder and louder as it goes on?
Yeah, usually, especially at Christmas Eve, especially at midnight mass, when the pubs chuck out and the churches open the doors, and everyone has a right good old sing-song.
Yeah, this is all going mightily well.
I'm very impressed.
Look at this, it's more like a scone, this one. What have you done here?
You haven't done anything.
It's as big as an elf's head, that one. And you know what they say, as long as you've got your elf.
Yes, it's true.
Yeah, if you're poorly, you can always go to the National Health Service.
Oh, stop you two, for goodness sake.
So how do you get that bit out?
Because this is so squidgy, it should theoretically just pull out.
I love a good theory. Don't collapse, don't collapse.
You beauty, Kingy. I'll do on it. Does that look all right?
Lovely.
That's holding it nicely.
I'm there.
You there?
Going in.
Get off!
Sorry, I just can't help it. I'm so worried.
Yeah, it's good in. Oh, that's it.
Right. Well, that's not bad, actually.
It's flipping good, Dave.
This is the most fun I've had with my dog collar on in a long time.
Is it?
Yeah.
You've got to get out more.
I know, right?
Kate,
Yes, lovely.
do you have any idea on how we're going to decorate this?
Surely you've got some sparkle to throw at it.
Bit of bling, yeah.
Bit of bling.
Yeah. We need like a motif for decoration. Could you make us anything? Just something to stand with it,
go on.
you know.
You're art, you. You make your own Christmas cards.
I do. Have you got some tin foil?
Yeah.
Pass me some tin foil.
Yep, there you go.
Right, I'm gonna amaze you and show you why I should have been a Blue Peter girl.
What's going on here?
You'd be amazed at the things that I can do. I can juggle, I can eat fire, and I can make these. I went on a course at Vicar School.
Did you?
Yeah.
It's brilliant, Vicar School. I may go.
Can you tell what it is yet?
It's got 4 legs.
I've got all the homemade Christmas decorations that my kids made when they were little.
So
Still got all those.
And I put them on the tree every year.
Yeah, me too. And every year, a little bit more's fallen off them.
Yeah.
And they're a little bit more dog-eared.
Hey, this is good. This is good, this.
I know what it
Just
is.
need to
Oh, is
find
it?
his little red
Oh,
nose.
Rudolph!
It is Rudolph, but he's not got his red nose yet, so I'm just going to pinch a bit of this. Let's get one of those on it. So let's put him his red nose on.
That's genius.
Look at that,
Brilliant, isn't it?
There we go.
Hey!
Oh, that's brilliant.
It is good.
I'm going to take that home, stick it on my tree.
Do you want to do a bit of spun sugar?
Yeah, let's give it
Try.
I'm going to lean back.
a go. I would.
Oh, look, there you go, Kingy.
Oh, yes.
There you go. It looks beautiful.
You'll just be looking more beautiful in a minute. See what this does. Got some gold.
It's Christmas.
It's so festive. Oh, please, 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 please.
Yeah, go on.
Canna, thanks.
Oh, look at that. It's for us. Now, I've got these. These are special indoor light-up-your-cake sparklers. Maybe have one there, yeah?
Loving it.
It looks amazing.
And that is our croquembouche.
It's so Christmassy.
Right. Come on, let's taste this little one.
Oh, I love it. Oh, this looks amazing. I'm trying to take a delicate, ladylike size portion, but do you know what?
Oh, man, that's great.
It's gorgeous.
You're welcome. Christmas croquembouche. They'll be talking about it for years.